Good morning. So we are on our way to the pyramids. I hope you can hear me because the street is very loud.
It is.
So anyway, we are on our way to the pyramids. We just came around the corner and then we saw this.
Ta-da! Pyramid! Stunning view.
Yeah. So today we will be going into the Great Pyramid, which is the one in the front. And if possible, we also go into the Pyramid of Menkaure. Otherwise, we might come again. We're not sure. Because we want to see lots of stuff.
Yeah.
But today will be the necropolis of Giza. And now the first thing we will do is head right to the Khufu Pyramid and go inside. Because it's early, it's 8 o'clock in the morning and there's not that many people here yet. So we will go inside in the hopes that we will have it to ourselves. We are next to the Great Pyramid. And now we are following him. He definitely will want bakshish.
Yep.
This is actually our second day in Egypt. On the first day we went to the Egyptian Museum in Cairo, but since the pyramids of Giza are the much more exciting travel vlog, we decided to start with this. This part of the series will be 2 or 3 vlogs, which will be coming up in the next few weeks.
The best thing about it is we've seen so many travel vlogs about this area by now that I actually know my way around already. So Ra is getting hotter and now we're heading to the pyramids. Behind me is one of the Queen's pyramids. And there's the other one. And they said you should not climb on the monument, but basically you have to walk on the lowest stones. And that's the only way to get through here. Behold the Great Pyramid of Khufu. It's getting very windy again. I hope you can hear me better now. It's still very windy, but that's a better mic. As I said, now we will head into the pyramid. So below this pile of stones, which is 138 meters high, and we will be 65 meters below. Some jackals! Very nice. There they are. Can you see them? Alright. Let's move on. So, as you can imagine, I have to touch it. Ready? My first time. 20 years ago it was still possible to do guided climbing tours up.
It was?
But that's not a thing anymore. Yeah, because too many idiots
Fall down?
didn't behave or climbed that on their own and stuff like that.
Makes sense.
And by now it is completely forbidden.
Yeah.
Did you hear that pigeon? Go off. All right. No climbing, and they all climb up there. So we're on the north face of the pyramid, and now we will enter it. Ah, that's the north entrance. That's why there are so many people.
Yeah.
This is closed. Now we're going up. And here we go.
In case your boring detector starts to scream right about now, hear me out. We left quite a bit of our adventures through the pyramids in the vlog because we wanted to give you an impression on how vast the pyramids are actually inside. Most vloggers would cut that part out or shorten it drastically, but we hope you enjoy what we did here.
Okay. Here we go. Don't slip. Before you fall.
I said I thought it would be cold in here. It's not.
Of course not. Have you ever been down on a mine? It's hot down there.
Hello.
It's huge.
Ay, qué sudada, ¿no? Más torta. Bueno, tú sobre todo. Madre mía.
I'm just taking my time. Get a shot. And can you go further back? Okay.
Ich nehme sie mal hier, warte.
Ja. Halt beinahe.
Ja. Richie walking up the Great Gallery.
Back to filming.
It's like walking down the gangway. It's not terrible.
I thought the Grand Gallery was much smaller.
It's a grand gallery.
Yeah. Now we're entering the burial chamber. Go on.
Come on, let's keep
Okay, thank you. The burial chamber.
Okay. That was quite a climb, especially with the phone in the hand.
chamber of Cheops in the Great Pyramid. So awesome. And there's more light than I thought, so you can actually see it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's lighted out really well. And it's also not too bright, so it still got a feeling of a dark gray. But you can see everything, you can see us. Really well lit.
Yeah, we like it a lot. Alright, let's head down again. It is so much warmer than I expected.
And the air in here is wet. If you have ever been to Thailand, same climate in here.
Yeah, kinda.
It is.
Alright, crawling on all fours out of the pyramid. Beware that filming inside the pyramids for professional reasons needs an extra ticket and you need a permit for that. You can only film for private reasons in the pyramids, which is why we will never monetize any of these pyramid videos. See our videos as invitation to visit this beautiful country yourself. It is not easy to climb down there with one hand and filming, but it is too funny, I have to.
If you fall down, at least I should be able to catch your phone.
That would be nice. We're way too big for this.
You are what? 6'2"?
I guess so, yeah. 191.
Yeah.
And the fact that this is a two-way crawlway doesn't make it any easier.
يا والله ما دخلت هنا واحدة خير مش هقعد هنا منها والله ما شفتهاش حاجة
But as you could see, what I told you before was completely wrong. It doesn't go under the pyramid. In this case, it goes up. That's the other pyramid where it's going down. Alright, Richie, take the phone.
And technically there is a way down, but it's close.
Exploring the Khufu Pyramid alone became quite lengthy, so let's wrap it up.
Oh, wie cool der Wind plötzlich ist.
Yeah, it's actually colder outside.
Ja.
That is still the Khufu Pyramid with a quite bright raw above it.
Unmerciful raw.
Yeah,
I got sun cream.
yeah, I don't.
Yeah, you don't need sun cream.
No, not aggressive enough the sun at the moment. But my hair is flying around. But that will stay like this, I guess.
Same here.
Yeah. Oop, there you go.
Okay. And that's like the perfect view in this pyramid.
Yeah. And it still looks bigger.
Yeah.
I stand by it.
But what was it? By now it is a slightly bigger, or?
By now it is bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah. When it was built, it was 3 meters less than the other one, and today it's 2 meters higher than.
Something like that, yeah.
There's a little dog. Yeah, a small pack of dogs over there.
That's so cute.
Yeah, little jackals. Yeah. You switched on the leg.
Oh, how to do that?
With the on the stick.
Where do I put it up?
With the buttons.
Ah! You never told me? Achso, der Channel ist übrigens TommyAmun.
Wie ist?
TommyAmun. Also wie Tommy, klassisch mit Y, der ägyptische Gott.
Okay, wir freuen uns nicht so. Habt ihr ganz viele Ägypten?
Nee, er ist noch halb Ägypter und Ägypten-Freak.
In case you're wondering what kind of a weird language Richie is speaking, that would be German.
Ja, Spaß.
Yeah, but that was very nice.
Okay, okay.